We were showing the spiky hail earlier, and a lot of questions about what causes that. That's how turbulent
Right.
that air is above. That hail just gets tossed around and tumbled within the cloud, and you end up with this irregular ice pattern and that spiky, jagged appearance. You know, we're all used to that round, smooth hail, but this is what's been falling today, and is that really an example of how turbulent this storm
Yeah,
is?
the storms are full of turbulence. They are full of wind. There's a lot of wind. And also when you start getting hail this large, Kay, what happens is maybe that initial small hailstone is bumping into larger drops of water and instantaneously freezing them while on the fly through the clouds. And sometimes you also get the smaller hailstones that start to stick to each other. And you get these really unusually large-shaped and dangerous hailstones, because they are, spiky like that, easily breaking wind.